Hey everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. If you're applying for a delivery writer job, you need a strong application letter that shows you're reliable, efficient, and customer-focused. In today's video, I'll guide you through a well-structured and professional application letter, explaining each section step by step so you know exactly what to write. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to write your own job-winning letter. So, let's jump right in. Step 1. Your contact information. Every application letter begins with your contact details. Here's how it appears in our sample letter. Michael Carter, 4821 Maple Avenue, Orlando, Florida, 32801. Email, michael.carter@email.com. Phone, 407-555-8923. Let's break this down. Your full name goes at the top. This tells the employer who's applying. Your address is included, so the employer knows your location. This is especially useful for delivery jobs, where hiring managers often prefer writers who live nearby. Your email address should be professional. If you have an informal email, like coolwriter92@email.com, create a new one using your name. Your phone number should be correct and easy to reach, as many employers call applicants for a quick interview. Double-check your details. One small mistake could mean missing a job opportunity. Step 2. The date. Next, add the date the letter is written. In our sample, it's March 25th, 2025. Why is this important? It helps track when you applied for the job. If the company has a deadline for applications, they'll know you submitted yours on time. Always write the date in full format like this: month, day, year. This looks more professional. Step 3. The employer's contact information. After the date, include the company's details. In our letter, we write, Hiring Manager, Swift Delivery Services, 2190 Commerce Street, Orlando, Florida 32806. This section ensures your letter is properly addressed. Let's break it down. Hiring manager is used if you don't know the recruiter's name. If you can find their name, replace it with Dear Mr. Johnson or Dear Ms. Smith for a more personalized touch. Company name. Make sure you spell it correctly. Company address. This keeps the letter formal and professional. This step makes sure your letter looks well-structured and reaches the right person. Step 4. The subject line. Stating your purpose clearly. Next, add a subject line to quickly inform the employer why you're writing. Our letter says, Subject: Application for delivery writer position. This is clear and professional. When writing your own letter, always include the job title you're applying for, a reference number if the job posting includes one. For example, if the job has a code, you could write Application for delivery writer position, ref, DR-102. This makes it easier for recruiters to find your application quickly. Step 5. The salutation, greeting the hiring manager. Now, let's move on to the greeting. In our letter, we write, Dear Hiring Manager. This is formal and professional. If you know the hiring manager's name, use it. For example, Dear Mr. Johnson or Dear Ms. Smith. Avoid using to whom it may concern. It sounds outdated and impersonal. If you don't have a name, Dear Hiring Manager is the best choice. Step 6. The opening paragraph, introducing yourself. The first paragraph should immediately capture the employer's attention. I'm excited to apply for the delivery writer position at Swift Delivery Services. With over 3 years of experience in fast-paced delivery services, I have developed strong navigation skills, excellent time management, and a commitment to customer satisfaction. I take pride in ensuring timely and safe deliveries while maintaining a professional and friendly approach with customers. Let's break this down. The first sentence clearly states the job title and company name. This ensures the employer knows exactly which position you're applying for. The second sentence highlights years of experience and key skills, important qualities for a delivery writer. The final sentence adds a personal touch, showing that you value customer service and professionalism. This introduction is direct, engaging, and sets the right tone for your application. Step 7. The second paragraph, showcasing your skills and experience. The next paragraph expands on your past experience and technical skills. In my previous role at Express Couriers, I successfully completed an average of 50+ deliveries per day while adhering to traffic laws and company guidelines. I am proficient in using GPS navigation systems and mobile delivery applications to optimize routes and minimize delays. Additionally, I hold a valid Florida motorcycle license and have a clean driving record, ensuring safe and efficient transportation of goods. Here's why this paragraph is effective. It names a previous employer and details specific achievements. Delivering 50+ packages per day shows speed and efficiency. It highlights skills like using GPS systems and delivery apps, essential for modern delivery jobs. It mentions a valid motorcycle license and clean driving record, proving that the applicant is legally allowed to ride and prioritizes safety. Make sure your own letter includes specific numbers and relevant qualifications like this. Step 8. The closing paragraph, expressing interest and requesting an interview. Now, let's wrap up the letter with a strong closing statement. I am eager to bring my experience and dedication to swift delivery services. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how I can contribute to your team. Please feel free to contact me at 407-555-8923 or michael.carter@email.com to schedule an interview. This paragraph does 3 things. 1. Expresses enthusiasm for the job. 2. Encourages the employer to set up an interview. 3. Provides contact details again for easy reference. Step 9. The closing and signature. Finally, we end with, Sincerely, Michael Carter. Sincerely is professional and polite. Other good closing phrases include, best regards, respectfully. And that's how you write a strong delivery rider job application letter. I hope this breakdown makes it easier for you to write your own letter. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching Writing Tutorials. See you in the next video.